most common problem by far encountered by tubas is stuck slides. There are a number of things we can do to free these. Very often, just simply pulling on it long enough will either aggravate it enough that it turns loose, or you'll finally get it to break free. The best repair, of course, is prevention. Keep the thing properly greased and you won't have this problem. If it does stick, then the first thing we can try is with a cloth to give a good tug and just see if we can tug the slide free. Don't get carried away with this procedure because it's possible to pull the entire crook of the valve loose if the slide is badly frozen. Old methods used to say to use this belt and tug method and just keep working until it comes loose. But you can cause much more severe damage in the process. If this tugging does not free it, the best thing to do then is to use a penetrating oil and add a drop or two onto the instrument and let it work its way in. You may want to let the instrument just sit for an hour or so and then try again. Very often the penetrating oil will moisten these areas that have become dry and frozen and it will become free. If the problem persists then, a good trick from basically your high school chemistry or physics will be simply to take a torch, or you can use like a big light or any sort of low flame item, and then gently heat the outer tubings. You may want to do this with the penetrating oil, and occasionally with a small hammer tap along the line. This just breaks things loose. Now the idea that we're working with here is that the outer tubing will expand more rapidly than the inner tubing, therefore giving the space to free this. Then once again with the belt and tug method, you can quickly remove the slide.